Most drivers get peak pay completely wrong, and that mistake costs them the easiest extra money available on the platform. Here's the truth no one tells you. Peak pay on DoorDash is not random luck. It follows patterns you can actually predict if you know where to look. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is chasing peak pay blindly without understanding when and why it appears. In this video, you will learn exactly how peak pay works in 2026, how to find it before other drivers, and how to position yourself so you consistently earn more per order. Let's start with the basics. Peak pay is extra money added to deliveries during high demand. It usually appears when there are more orders than available drivers. Now here's where it gets interesting. DoorDash doesn't just increase pay everywhere at once. It targets specific zones, specific times, and specific demand spikes. That means two drivers in the same city can have completely different earnings depending on where they are parked. Now let's break down when peak pay usually happens. The most common times are lunch rush, dinner rush, weekends, bad weather days, and special local events. But here's the problem. Many drivers only log in when they feel it's busy, instead of checking demand signals early. So how do you actually find peak pay before everyone else? Step 1 is understanding hot zones. In the DoorDash app, areas with high demand often turn red or orange. These zones usually appear 15 to 30 minutes before peak pay officially kicks in. Smart drivers like Alex use this early signal to position themselves before competition increases. Step 2 is timing. Peak pay often gets announced shortly before busy periods, but it can also appear suddenly when orders backlog. If you are already in the right zone, you catch it instantly. Now, step 3 is the strategy most drivers miss. Do not chase peak pay across the city. That wastes fuel and time. Instead, stay near consistent demand areas like malls, restaurant clusters, or downtown zones. That increases your chance of stacking peak pay orders naturally. Let's talk real earnings impact. A driver like Jake who waits in high demand zones during dinner rush can often earn an extra $2 to $5 per order during peak pay periods. Over a full shift, that adds up significantly. But a driver constantly moving around may miss those windows entirely. Now here's another key insight. Peak pay does not guarantee high tips. It only increases base payout. That means order selection still matters. A high peak pay order going 10 miles might still be worse than a short trip with a good tip. So what is the smartest approach in 2026? Do not chase peak pay. Position for it. Learn your city's demand patterns. Stay ready in high traffic zones during peak hours. And accept only orders that make sense even without the bonus. To wrap it up, peak pay is predictable if you stop guessing and start observing patterns. The drivers who earn the most are not lucky, they are prepared. If this helped you understand how peak pay really works, like the video, drop a comment with your city, and subscribe for more real-world DoorDash strategies that help you earn more every single shift.